Being more involved and meeting other graduate students has been vital to my success. One of the things that I've been so impressed with Towson is the GSA and how it's been so inclusive, allowing itself to be a resource for graduate students. It's so focused on making sure that you're successful and providing workshops and conferences.
I think something that's really unique about being a graduate student at Towson is the opportunities you have to collaborate and network with other people. And it's been a really great experience to have that community and a support system and networking experience. One of the most important roles of the GSA is representing the needs of graduate students.
The GSA has helped me a lot this semester, especially with my practice, and my studio practice has really evolved as a result of earning the award. As a graduate student, you're able to apply once per fiscal year for research and study, and I was able to afford wonderful paints that I wouldn't have been able to afford otherwise.
I definitely know I wanted to get involved this semester participating with GSA. Not only just with my professional development, but my personal development as well. So they were very welcoming, very down to earth.
GSA and Towson make me believe in myself and prepare myself for the job and for the industry. So I'm really thankful, and I'm fortunate enough to be in Towson and be a part in GSA.